Lawrence and I met at a frozen yogurt shop, and then basically we haven't stopped talking since.
Yeah.
So
I saw you that whole week, like every single day. We got engaged December of
2016.
2016. When I think of a wedding, I want to go somewhere. I want like a destination wedding, kind of a vacation for everybody to enjoy themselves.
My whole family and his family, we absolutely love Vegas. It's like the place that we can quickly go to, take a breather, have a good time. So it was the perfect choice to have it in Vegas. So that's really why we chose it.
We've been to Vegas weddings before on the Strip, and I just wanted something different.
More intimate.
Yeah.
Basically, everyone's all together, alone, where we could just all have and enjoy a good time. Basically, not only did we look at the venues on the Strip, but we also looked at venues outside the Strip as well. We didn't really know what we were getting ourselves into, to be quite honest.
I think just traveling here and like having all of our appointments with the vendors, and I would say actually finding like the right venue was my favorite part. Our meetings and presentations that everyone gave us. That was fun.
There's a whole lot of things that we didn't take into consideration, and then after working with a lot of the vendors and talking with all of them, I thought, they got some great ideas, and it just made me more excited about the wedding. I think a lot of people had different expectations and when they came into this wedding, but I think at the same time that was a good thing, just because then people were blown away. I think people weren't expecting
what we did
for the wedding in
Vegas.